How to fix DirectX errors on Windows 11. To fix DirectX errors on Windows 11, try these steps. 1. Checking the DirectX version via xdig. 2. Download the latest and right version of DirectX on your system. 3. Checking for Windows updates. Note, do not missing out on optional updates. 4. Update your processor driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. Disable any unwanted or unknown startup services/apps from running with your system. 6. Run sfc/scano command as admin. 7. Perform a system restore.